So for x, 81 exponent x plus 1 equals 27 exponent negative 3x. Now when you study carefully, 81 and 27 have a common factor 3. So the first thing we have to do is to factorize the bigger one here, and that is 81. I'm going to use a factor 3. So when you divide 81 by 3, we obtain 27. And luckily 27 is what we have here. Therefore we continue factorizing by 3. We get here 9, and 9 divided by 3 is also 3. Finally, by 3 we get 1. Therefore 81 is the same as 3 exponent 4. The number of times 3 appeared. So we have 27. For us to obtain 27, we need to repeat 3 times. So this is exponent 3. Now replacing 81 and 27 by 3 exponent 4 and 27 as 3 exponent 3, then we can rewrite our equation here. Firstly, we need to copy it down here, and we have our 81 exponent x plus 1, and this is equivalent to 27 exponent negative 3x. So 81 becomes 3 exponent 4, and this is inside bracket x plus 1, and we equate this to 27 as 3 exponent 3, and this multiplies negative 3x. We have here 3 exponent 4 times x, we obtain 4x, and 4 times 1, we get 4. And here to the right hand side we have 3 exponent negative 9x. And now since our bases are the same, what we have here is the same like this, then we can equate the indices. Therefore we have 4x plus 4 equals negative 9x. Collecting like terms, we have 4x plus 9x equals negative 4. And adding this together, we have 13x equals negative 4. And getting x, we're dividing both sides by 13. Therefore, x is equals to negative 4 over 13 as the solution for x. So for question number 2, it says find the value of x, and we have 15 exponent 2x minus 4 equals 3 exponent 2x minus 4. At first, when you look at this question, the indices are the same, and in most cases, when the indices are the same, then we have to equate the bases. And also if the bases are the same, just like question number 1, we equate the indices. But now it is unique because our main target is to get the value for x. Meanwhile, x is not found at the base. Therefore, we need to think of writing 15 in terms of 3, since we have 3 from the right hand side. So let's write our question down here first, and we have 15 exponent 2x minus 4 equals 3 exponent 2x minus 4. Now let's write 15 in terms of 5 and 3. So 5 times 3, we obtain back 15, and we have it as 2x minus 4 equals 3 exponent 2x minus 4. Now we need to distribute this exponent to the two numbers here, and we have 5 exponent 2x minus 4 for the first one, and this is multiplied by 3, also exponent 2x minus 4, and this is equivalent to 3 exponent 2x minus 4. Divide both sides of this equation by 3 exponent 2x minus 4. So we have also here 3 2x minus 4, and this cancels, so we're left with only 5 exponent 2x minus 4. And here, since we're dividing, then we need to subtract exponent, and we have 2x minus 4, take away 2x, and I'm opening the bracket straight away, so this one changes to positive, and we have 4. Now you can see that the whole thing here vanishes to 0 because 2x negative and positive 2x cancels, and negative 4 also cancels with positive 4. Therefore, we can rewrite our left hand side, and we have 5 exponent 2x minus 4 is equivalent to 3 exponent 0. And again, we know any number raised to 0 is 1. Therefore, we have 2x minus 4. This is equivalent to 1. And again, for us to be able to get this x, we need some exponent here. And we know, again, for to obtain 1, we can write 5 exponent 0. So we copy our left hand side, and we have 2x minus 4 equals 5 exponent 0. 5 exponent 0 takes us back here, or 3 exponent 0 also brings us back to 1. And now, since the bases are the same, then you can go ahead and equate the indices. So we have 2x minus 4 equals 0. Now we can solve this simple equation here with one unknown. Collecting like terms, we have here 4 positive from the right hand side, and dividing both sides by 2, we also obtain 2. Therefore, x equals 2 as the solution for the second part of this question. Thank you for watching at this point, and if you have found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel in order for you to get notification if I upload a new video, and also to motivate me to make more videos of this kind. See you in the next one. Peace out.